Okay, welcome back mga scalper. EDU Technical Analysis. So big picture, nasa weekly time frame tayo. Kung makikita natin, meron tayong first low, higher low, and currently, kung makikita natin after lumipad ni EDU is bumabagsak na siya. But kung makikita natin sa weekly, yung volume is sobrang liliit. So possible, this is only a pullback sa big picture natin. So kung makikita natin sa lower time frame yung previously resistance here and ginawa niyang currently support nung lumipad siya and currently nagre-retrace na naman, still respected pa rin yung support area natin. Still a good sign na meron tayong makikitang wick na nagbabounce. So the moment na i-respect niya tong trend line or horizontal support natin and magkaroon tayo ng green candle, possible is next direction niya is lumipad na. But the moment na basagin naman to ni EDU is possible meron pa tong babagsakan. We will always wait sa magiging reaction ng candle. Kung makikita natin meron na tayong rejection, so meron tayong demand zone dito sa support area na to. In order for us to confirm na merong sumasalo, kailangan nating makakita ng malalaking volume and candle, and we will always wait ng pullback to confirm if may sasalo for higher probability trade. But currently, sa pinapakita nito, still on a downtrend.